In the next module, you're going to start capturing data with Wireshark. But before we do that, there are some things you need to know about your Wireshark installation that will help you. So let's take a look at that now. So you have installed Wireshark 2.0 and you've opened the application, and you'll have a screen that looks like this. And over here on your far right in the main menu is Help. And I want you to click on that and it'll bring up a sub-menu. I'd like you to go down to the bottom and say About Wireshark. This will then bring up your About Wireshark pop-up window, and here you'll see several folders. It'll describe Wireshark, the authors, folders, plugins, keyboard shortcuts, and then the licensing that you agreed to when you installed Wireshark. Let's click on Folders. Now folders is where all of the configuration items have been placed, and there's a couple I want to point out. First, if we go to Program Files, and you'll see that as part of Wireshark there are several different applications that have been installed. And if you want to go on and do development using Wireshark, this is a really good place to start. And all of these tools are part of Wireshark, but you can use them individually as well. For example, Merge Cap, as the name might suggest, it merges multiple captures into one file. Edit Cap, that edits and translates the format of different capture files. So these are all the programs that have been installed as part of you installing Wireshark 2.0. Now if we click on Personal Configuration, this is the folder where your configuration settings will be saved. So as you use Wireshark and create profiles, they'll be saved here, and you'll be able to share them with other people simply by coming here and cutting and pasting them. So knowing where your personal configuration settings is very important for working with Wireshark, and especially if you're working as part of a team and want to share the profiles that you've created. Next we have keyboard shortcuts. This is a new feature of Wireshark 2.0 and I think is particularly cool. It gives you a list of keyboard shortcuts that you can use then to do various activities in Wireshark. So say for instance here a simple one of Control++ allows you to zoom in and enlarge the text on the main window. I think when you're starting out in Wireshark, it's really important to start becoming familiar with the keyboard shortcuts, because if you're going to be a regular user, this can save you a considerable amount of time.